If you suffer from diabetes type 2, unfortunately you are also at a higher risk of later going to suffer from some other serious chronic diseases, including, for example, cardiovascular disease such as arteriosclerosis, including neurological issues like Alzheimer, but also many different episodes of severe migraine, and also your risk of various cancer is going to be much higher. For example, liver, pancreatic, endometrial cancer, also lung cancer, breast cancer. There's various mechanisms why your risks are elevated, including poor circulation, poor oxygenation, combination of insulin resistance, high chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and calcification. Also, often your cells are lower on energy, the integrity of your cell membrane is lower, the voltage of your cell is lower. And in relation to cancer, a key important mechanism which increases the risk of cancer is the elevated levels of insulin, which result in elevated levels of insulin-like growth factors, and elevated levels of IGF-1 are a clear risk for cancer. So how is QRS going to help you reduce that risk of serious chronic disease? This is actually a good example of why QRS is essential to invest in from a preventative point of view. Everywhere I go, I stress the message, please do not start buying QRS only when you already suffer from a serious issue, but please invest in it from a preventative point of view. And if you use the QRS every day, it is really going to help you with so many things. It's going to maintain your health, and it's going to prevent you against various serious issues. For example, lying on the QRS 1 or 2 times per day, 8 to 16, 24 minutes, is going to strongly improve your blood circulation, oxygenation, reduce your blood pressure, and thereby it's going to substantially help you to reduce your risk of heart attack and brain stroke. QRS, I explained it in many other videos, it also helps reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, but also it reduces, for example, calcification of your arteries, but also calcification, for example, of your brain cells. QRS, when you lie on it, it strongly improves the energy production of all your cells. This is also important, for example, in a cancer situation. Please note that in this video and in none of the other videos on this channel I make any claim whatsoever that QRS can actually cure cancer. But what is a fact that if you suffer from cancer, most people have very low voltage in their cells. Their energy in their cells is very low, so your cell cannot defend yourself. There is no fight going on. The only thing that QRS is doing, it strongly improves the energy production of your cell. The integrity of your cell membrane gets bigger, and now your cell can do the things that it needs to do. For example, reduce inflammation, but also it can, for example, help you in the process of apoptosis in the situation of cancer. Apoptosis is a simple process. It's a process whereby your cells automatically program cell death. So as soon as there is a cancer cell coming up, your cell is instructed to die, to die itself. That is called apoptosis. But even for this process, your cell needs energy. If your cell is low on energy, even this process does not work. And that is another reason. There's so many reasons. QRS is really essential therapy for everybody.